Hi, so this is a video on a demonstration on the video upload. So we're going to do this real quick. So for the purposes of this, I blocked off my plate number, but you're going to need to show your plate number and then your VIN number, which is right there. And then we're going to start with locking your vehicle. And then pulling on the door handles, door handles, door handles, door handles. And then with a penny with Lincoln's head upside down, you're gonna put it in the tread of the tire. Just like that. And then we're gonna open up the car now and show the lights real quick. So you're gonna put on, have the car started, put on your lights and your hazards. And as you can see, the light and your hazards, light, hazards, hazards in back, hazards, and then we're gonna show the brake lights from behind. So we're going to turn this around. Press on the brake lights. And now we are going to show the inside. So you're going to have all your seat belts buckled. 1, 2, and 3. We're just going to open this door too, just to show it again. This, and then you're going to adjust your front seats. This is a manual. Back, forth, close the door. And buckle this one up real quick, show it, and then this is back, forth, and then unlock this, get into the vehicle, and then you're going to put your emergency brake on. So I'm going to push on the emergency brake and then show it on there, and then show your mileage, your speedometer, turn your wheel left to right, do your windshield wipers, honk your horn, show your mirrors, and that is it.